Hello student. Now in this video we will discuss multiplication of fractions. Okay. Multiplication means repeated addition. Okay. So if I am writing 1 upon 5 plus 1 upon 5 plus 1 upon 5. So it becomes, because here denominator are same, so we have to add these numerators, so it becomes 3 upon 5, or it can be written as 3 is multiplied with 1 upon 5. Okay, so suppose you have to represent this in the pictorial form, so you can represent it like this. See, this represent 1 upon 5, this is also 1 upon 5, and this is also 1 upon 5. So when we are adding this, so it becomes out of 5 part 3 will be shaded, so it can be written as 3 upon 5. Okay, so it is also represent multiplication of fraction by a whole number. This is the whole number and this will be fraction. Okay, we will take another example. 3 into 2 upon 7. So you can write it 3 upon 1. So what is the method? You have to multiply numerator by numerator, that is 3 into 2, and denominator by denominator, 1 into 7. So it becomes 6 upon 7. Okay, now second condition will be multiplication of fraction by a fraction. So suppose 1 upon 4 is multiplied with 2 by 3. So how can you write it? 1 into 2, 4 into 3. Then numerator into numerator, 2, then 4 into 3, 12. Okay, so how to represent in the pictorial form? This is the pictorial representation of, this is the 1 by 4 and this will be 2 by 3 of 1 by 4. So it becomes 2 upon 12. Okay, now let us take some other example to understand it. Third question. Suppose 5 upon 8 into 3 upon 7. So numerator is multiplied with numerator, so it becomes 15. Then 8 into 7, 56. Okay, now we have to remember some points about multiplication of fraction. So first point is, it is not necessary first to multiply the fractions and then simplify. We may simplify first, then multiply. So I am taking an example to explain it. Suppose 6 upon 14 into 7 upon 9 is given. Okay, so we have to write 6 into 7, 14 into 9. Here you can see in 7th table 14 will be there, so we can reduce it. 7 ones are 7, 7 twos are 14. Now in table of 3, 6 and 9 will be there, so it will be reduced. So 3 twos are 6, 3 threes are 9, and 2 ones are 2 and 2 ones are 2. So final answer will be 1 upon 3. So first you have to simplify, then you have to multiply the numerator by numerator and denominator by denominator. Okay, now second important thing is that this cancellation method is only apply in multiplication. It is not valid for subtraction and addition. You can't write like this. Suppose 5 upon 6 plus 12 upon 13. So you can't write like this. Okay, this is not possible. not possible for addition and subtraction as well. Now, third point, you have to remember of. So, of represent multiplication. Suppose I am writing, you have to find 1 by 2 of 10. It means 1 by 2 into 10 upon 1. So, it can be reduced. 2 ones are 2, 2 5s are 10. So, answer is 5. Okay. Similarly, suppose I am finding 1 by 1/4 of 100. So, it can be written as 1 upon 4 multiplied with 100. Okay. Now, fourth important thing is the value of product of two proper fraction is always less than each of the fraction. Suppose 2 upon 3 is multiplied by 5 upon 9 is equals to 10 upon 27. So here 10 upon 27 is less than 2 by 3 as well as 5 upon 9. Okay. So fourth point says when we are multiplying two proper fraction is always less than, it means the product is always less than the each of this fraction. So 10 upon 27 is less than 2 by 3. 10 upon 27 is also less than upon 5 upon 9. Okay. Now last point you have to remember, this is, suppose you are multiplying one proper fraction and improper fraction. Okay. So answer will be 5 upon 12. So 5 upon 12 is greater than 1 upon 3, but it is less than improper fraction. So we can say that the product of a proper and improper fraction is less than improper fraction and greater than the proper fraction. Okay. Now we will discuss one example. Suppose 2 into 1 upon 5, 2 into 1 upon 2, 3 into 2 by 3, 3 into 1 by 4 is given. Now pictorial representation is also given. Now you have to match. So 2 into 1 upon 5. It means 2 into 1 upon 5 can be written as 1 upon 5 plus 1 upon 5. Okay. So in which pictorial representation 1 upon 5 plus 1 upon 5? Yes, this is the 1 upon 5 and this will be 1 upon 5. It means this is match with this. Okay. Now 2 into 1 upon 2, it means in the same way it can be written as 1 upon 2 plus 1 upon 2. So it will be here. Okay. Now 3 into 2 by 3. So 2 by 3, how many times it will repeat? 3 times. Yes, this is the answer. So now fourth one, 3 into 1 by 4. It means how many times we added 1 by 4? 4 times. Oh sorry, 3 times. So it will be here 1 by 4, 1 by 4, 1 by 4. Okay. This is also an example. Sorry, question number 1 of your NCERT book, exercise 2.2. Okay.